Good day, grade 10 students. So medyo maulan po, pasensya na dun sa audio quality. So let's discuss how to solve linear absolute value equation. So pag sinabi mong linear, mapapansin mo yung ating mga variables ay nasa degree 1 or yung mga exponent nila ay invisible 1 po. So how do we solve this one? So gaya nung napag-usapan natin sa classroom, we need to identify first ilang solution yung ina-expect natin. So let's proceed with example number 1. Absolute value of 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. So since the absolute value is equated to 0, we are expecting one solution. Isang solution lang po. So with that, copy mo lang yung nasa loob ng absolute value. So that would be 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. Ganun lang po. So, as if nagsasolve ka lang ng value ng variable. So, lipat mo lang yung positive 25 or transpose mo lang sa kabilang side. So, that would be 5x equals yung positive 25 magiging negative 25. Divide both sides by 5, cancel to. X now would be equal to negative 25 divided by positive 5 is negative 5. And that will be the answer. Ganun lang po. Okay? Let's proceed with example number 2. You have absolute value of 3x minus 9 is equal to negative 3. Eh di ba gaya ng napag-usapan natin sa classroom, kapag ang absolute value equated sa negative number, automatic, the answer is no solution. Since an absolute value will always be a positive number. Okay? Ganun lang po ninyo isipin para hindi na kayo malito. Okay? Then lastly, let's have example number 3. Let's say you have absolute value of 2x minus 1 is equal to positive 9. So since this is equated to a positive number, we are expecting two solutions. So ulitin lang natin, kapag equated to 0, one solution. Pag equated to negative, no solution. Pag equated sa positive number, two solutions. So from here, what will you do is, copy yung nasa loob ng absolute value, 2x minus 1. Then yung isa, equate to a positive number. Then yung isa, equate natin sa negative equivalent. So ibig sabihin, yung isa equated sa positive 9, yung isa equated sa negative 9. So mula dito, solve mo lang yung value ng x. You will have, transpose may negative 1 sa kabila, magiging positive 1. Okay? So, simultaneously ko lang gagawin para hindi kayo masyadong, para lang mabilis itong video, pero pwede nyo namang i-pause para medyo mas madalian kayo, okay? So, denote ko rin to as x sub 1 and x sub 2 para lang walang dituhan, okay? So, from here, you will have 2x sub 1 equals 9. Then, itong negative 1, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, magiging positive 1. Ganun din po sa kabilang side. Okay? Now, take note of the difference. Yung isa ay positive, yung isa ay negative. Okay? So, from here, you will have 2x sub 1 equals 9 and 1 is positive 10. Dividing both sides by 2 para makancel to. So, x sub 1 equals positive 10 divided by positive 2 is positive 5. So, meron ka ng isang solution. Yung isa na lang kailangan natin solve. So, from here naman, you will have 2x sub 2 equals negative 9 and positive 1 is negative 8. Dividing both sides by 2 pa din. Cancel pa rin to. X sub 2 now is equal to negative 8 divided by positive 2 is negative 4. Okay? So, ganun lang po kumuha ng value ng variable kapag linear absolute value equations ang dinidrill natin. So, para naman meron pa rin kayong recitation chip, kahit na asynchronous tayo today, you may try to answer number 4. Absolute value of 3x minus 6 is equal to positive 12. Sa comment section po, pwedeng i-type yung pinaka-solution, yung kaya lang i-type na part. So, type lang po, then your final answers. Don't forget to write to include your name and section para madali kong ma-identify. Okay? That will be all. Thank you.